Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure KuCoin for altcoin trading. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the KuCoin website. If you haven't already, create an account by clicking on the sign up button. Fill out the required information, including your email address and a secure password. After submitting your information, verify your email by clicking the link sent to your inbox. Log in to your KuCoin account using your credentials. Once logged in, locate the Assets tab on the top menu. Click on Main Account to view your cryptocurrency holdings. To deposit funds, click on Deposit next to the relevant cryptocurrency. Select the cryptocurrency you wish to deposit. Copy the deposit address or scan the QR code provided. Open your crypto wallet and send the desired amount to the KuCoin deposit address. After a few moments, navigate back to the main account to check your deposit status. Once your funds are visible, go to the Markets tab. Use the search bar to find the specific altcoin you wish to trade. Click on the altcoin to view its trading pair options. Select the trading pair you would like to use, typically with Bitcoin or USDT. Click the Trade button to access the trading interface. Set your desired order type, such as limit or market order. Enter the amount of altcoin you want to buy or sell. Review the transaction details carefully before confirming. Click the Buy or Sell button, depending on your action. Once the transaction is complete, check your assets again to confirm the new balance. Explore advanced features like stop limit orders or futures trading for more options. Finally, keep your KuCoin account secure with strong passwords and two-factor authentication. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.